यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे.
Good morning. Today is 3rd May. 3rd May is very auspicious day for me and for all of us, all we Indians. You know why? Today our Air Force, we can say our mightiest or one of the mightiest Air Force is paying salute to the Corona warriors. Be that doctors, our policemen and support staff, nursing staff, cleaning staff and all those who are helping or fighting against coronavirus. दोस्तों, अभी तक हमारे देश में प्रधानमंत्री हुआ करते थे, लेकिन नरेंद्र मोदी जैसा प्रधानमंत्री नहीं हुआ. आज देख के इतना मजा आया कि सपूत हो तो ऐसा, प्रधानमंत्री हो तो ऐसा. एयरफोर्स थी, पहले भी थी, पहले भी महामारी हुआ करता था, लेकिन एयरफोर्स को कैसे एक सिंक्रोनाइज करते हुए अपने कोरोना के खिलाफ लड़ने वाले वॉरियर्स को सैल्यूट देना, दैट इज अ वेरी इंजीनियस थॉट which a person like caliber of Mr. Narendra Modi can alone contemplate. That is the beauty, and that's why our heart really goes in praise for our beloved Prime Minister. Ladies and gentlemen, friends and my dear children, I have a great feeling for our Honorable Prime Minister. So should be yours too. Thank you very much. Now, let us come back to our children and my emphasis on building word power. Today's the word is deleterious. D-L-E-T-E-R-I-O-U-S. Deleterious. इसके 3 शब्द मैं बोलूँगा हिंदी में, क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चे फ़ोन करते हैं कि सर आप इंग्लिश में बोल देते हैं, एक ऊपर से चला जाता है, समझ में नहीं आती. आप इसका हिंदी रूपांतरण भी बताया करें ताकि मैं समझ लूँ, और मेरा पर्पस भी वैसा ही कुछ है. मैं बार बार यही बोलता हूँ बच्चों को कि डज नॉट मैटर वेदर कैट इज ब्लैक और वाइट सो लॉन्ग आई कैचेज माइस. इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि चूहिया बिल्ली काली या पीली है, उसको चूहा पकड़ने आनी चाहिए. इसीलिए मैं अपने बच्चों के लिए जब ये रिगरस एक्सरसाइज कर ही रहा हूँ तो लेट मी गो इनटू थ्रेडवेयर बाय बिट्स एंड पीसेस everything I need to convince and explain in detail so that it is amply clear to them what are the meanings. And mind you, the exercise which I am undergoing, if you are seriously and very earnestly following it, there would be a day when you would be, agog with lots of words. And once you have sufficient number of words to your reservoir, intellectual reservoir, that is what I say. I have coined the word intellectual reservoir. आपकी जमा पूंजी, हमारी जमा पूंजी क्या होती है? इंटेलेक्चुअलिटी की क्या होती है जमा पूंजी? What intellectuality we have. जैसे होता है ना, डैम में पानी होता है, that is called reservoir of water. So हमारी intellectual reservoir क्या होती है? How much intellectual content and substance that we have. How much over a period of time we have nurtured something and we have accumulated those knowledge for our benefit. So my dear children, deleterious. I'll tell you this word in Hindi also. एक तो शाब्दिक अर्थ हुआ हानिकारक. हानिकारक. Smoking is deleterious to health. Nicotine has long been recognized as deleterious substance. What is deleterious substance? हानिकारक, detrimental, जो अपने शरीर को ठीक नहीं लगता, निषेध करने की चीज जो होती है, निषेधात्मक, निषेध करने वाली चीज, डिट्रीमेंटल सब्सटेंस, नॉक्सियस, NOXIOUS, noxious. I gave you the word last day, obnoxious. Oh, very bad. Something falling in that line, noxious and obnoxious. It is written on the cigarette pack. Smoking is injurious to health, deleterious to health, very harmful. It's very bad, needless to explain. एक वर्ड हुआ हानिकारक, दूसरा वर्ड हुआ विषैला. क्या हुआ विषैला? टॉक्सिक, वेनमस. टॉक्सिक केवल जहर नहीं होता, सांप का जहर ही केवल जहर नहीं होता. किसी की स्टेटमेंट पे अभी मैं आए दिन देखता हूं, someone who is not falling in the category of patriots, they are issuing some statements. जैसे बालाकोट के ऊपर किसी ने प्रूफ मांग लिया. What are the proofs that India actually attacked Balakot in Patna, in what is called Pakistan? What rubbish! They are asking for proof. So this is also a Bishaila. This is also a toxic statement, a venomous statement. जहाँ लोग देश के लिए इतने पुलकित हो रहे हैं सुन सुन के कि हमने बालाकोट उड़ा दिया, इतने टेररिस्ट की वहाँ मोबाइल एक्टिविटीज एक्टिव मोड में थी, उसको एक झटके में उड़ा दिया. और दे आर पासिंग वेनमस स्टेटमेंट, बिसाला स्टेटमेंट दे रहा है कि नहीं नहीं कहाँ हुआ अटैक जी, पाकिस्तान तो बोल रहा है कि वहाँ 2 चिड़िए मरे. व्हाट ए रबिश. दैट इज कॉल्ड such kind of virulent statements. Bisaila, VIRULENT. Mind you, I am using these words so that you can use it. कि सर ने इसको यूज किया था इस तरह से. How can I use and where I can use the word virulent, obnoxious, deleterious. अगला हिंदी का वर्ड है हानि पहुंचाने वाला, deleterious, pestilent, PESTILENT, harmful, poisonous, detrimental. हानिकारक, विषैला, हानि पहुंचाने वाला. इसका शाब्दिक मीनिंग ये हुआ डिलीटेरियस. हम कहाँ पे यूज करेंगे इसको? एनीथिंग विच इज बैड, यू कैन सी इट फ्रॉम योर विजुअल आई, यू कैन हियर इट फ्रॉम योर ईयर्स, एंड यू कैन परसीव फ्रॉम योर कॉन्शियस माइंड. दोज थिंग, इट कुड बी ए स्टेटमेंट ऑल्सो, वेरी डिलीटेरियस स्टेटमेंट. समबडी अब्यूजिंग इंडिया, ए टुकड़े टुकड़े गैंग. व्हाट आर दे? What are they? They are all detrimental and deleterious element. They are all poisonous and very harmful to the peace and security of my nation. Such elements are called deleterious substance. Substance is not only commodity form. It could be in form of human being. May that be a politician, may that be any kind of human being who is working against the interest of my great nation. इसको हम लोग गद्दार बोलते हैं. सच पीपुल, इसकी शाब्दिक अर्थ में नहीं जा करके इसका जो ओवरऑल जो पर्सपेक्टिव होता है, सच एलिमेंट्स आर डिलीटेरियस फॉर द सिक्योरिटी एंड सेफ्टी ऑफ माय नेशन. आई कैन यूज इन दैट कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑल्सो. सो लेट अस गो फॉर सम ऑफ द सिनोनिम्स. माय यूजुअल प्रैक्टिस इज पिक अप ए वर्ड and look for as many synonyms or antonyms as you feel like. So what will happen? We will have plethora of words. We have several words in our kitty, in our pocket. So we can use it one by one. So we would have pleasure of using varieties of words, and we would be richer by sufficient number of words. You can just see, once you pick up those words, what kind of confidence that you are going to generate for yourself. You will be a terrific speaker, my dear children. You just think for it and try to practice in your day-to-day life. The first word in form of synonym is adverse, ulta. Deleterious है, harmful है, तभी तो उल्टा होगा. Bad, baleful. So I did not explain you in detail about these words because these are synonyms. So you can straightway understand the meaning of the word because they are falling in the category of deleterious. damaging, dangerous, detrimental. If you smoke, that shall prove detrimental to your health because that is harmful. So, detrimental, DETRIMENTAL. The words at the end of my lecture, I just give the words. All those words in the form of synonyms, antonyms that I am mentioning now would be verbatim written there. You have to simply copy it up, try to find out its meaning, and meaning I already have explained. It would be very, very helpful to you while you practice speaking. Hurtful, ill, injurious, mischievous, and whatever. When you smoke, you go very bad by health wise, and your body function, your metabolic process starts behaving mischievously. So isn't it deleterious to your health? Yes. Noxious, as I mentioned you. Prejudicial, PREJUDICIL. In government machinery, it is said that any act of yours should not be such which should be detrimental or prejudicial to the government exchequer. Why? Prejudicial. कहता है कि that man is prejudiced against me. मतलब biased. Who could be biased? Who is not beneficial, harmful. So, this is called prejudicial. Wicked. Let us find some more words in form of synonyms. It could be like hostile, inimical, unfriendly. If you smoke, that is going to be inimical. That is not going to help your body. It's not going to help your endocrine system or digestive system or nervous system. That is going to be detrimentally affecting your personality, your body, your metabolic process. So these are all, that's very inimical to my health. This kind of bad habit, smoking, is inimical to your good health. Pestilent, pestilential. These are the words which you can use it. Nasty, noisome, fatal, killer, lethal, malignant. Malignant cell. जब किसी का कैंसर होता है तो बोलता है कि just go for the biopsy and find out if there are some malignant cells. Deleterious cells. Ruinous. Now let us go and look for some of the antonyms. What are the antonyms? इसका deleterious का उल्टा क्या हो जाएगा? Advantageous. No. Eating fruits are advantageous to our body. You know, eating fruits, eating green vegetables are advantageous, beneficial to our body, to our digestive system. It helps, it glows your personality. Useful, favorable, good, propitious, PROPITOUS, propitious, very nice, curative, healthy, helpful, palliative, 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 beneficial. Palliative is a synonym of beneficial and antonym of detrimental. Remedial, salubrious. Why do you go to hill station? Somebody say after a great operation, I am proceeding towards some other hill station. You go to Nainital, Mahabaleshwar, because this place, the climate is quite salubrious, very healthy, wholesome atmosphere there. The weather is very cozy. You know, you feel change of weather, change of your day-to-day routine and rugged life to a very salubrious one. Salutary, wholesome, secure, sound. So these are some of the words which fall in the category of antonyms. Ulta किसका? Deleterious का. So my dear children, today I gave you the word deleterious, very harmful. इसका हिंदी रूपांतरण क्या हुआ? विषैला, harmful, हानिकारक. I gave you upteenth number of words in form of synonyms. Don't worry, I'll just get it written at the end of my lecture, in the beginning of it also, on the screen itself. so that you can copy it up and try to find suitable sentences, start construction. If you find any problem, just look into the dictionary. Have a look at this word and start constructing sentences and try to use it. Where from you will get the situations to use it? While coming to your school, going in the society, meeting your people in the neighborhood, these are the situations where you can find. What are the things which are deleterious, obnoxious, nefarious from the society itself? You find these words very, very, readily available. You cannot find somebody smoking cigarettes, deleterious, harmful, injurious to their health. Somebody eating fruits, salubrious, it's beneficial, very healthy, wholesome. Going to some hill station, salubrious weather, So these are some of the synonyms and antonyms. Antonyms means ulta of synonym. Synonym means the word deleterious and it's like approximate meaning, nearby meaning, exact or identical meaning of it. And the antonyms are exact opposed to it. So I believe that I have been quite successfully been able to transmit you information and the meaning of the word deleterious. My dear children, write it as many times as possible and speak it wholeheartedly. Unless until you speak, it is said that practice makes a man perfect. If you want to be a terrific speaker, you have to have very, very rigorous practice for it. Thank you very much.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम् धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय